Good evening, this is Engineer Russell. You are welcome to our channels. This is an 9-point channels where we bring a lot of educative videos your way. And then one of the location in our houses, we install 11 kilowatt lithium ion batteries, and we also install 11 kilowatts high frequency inverter. This inverter has the ability to work with solar panel precisely without batteries. But however, on this setup, we install 11 kilowatts lithium ion batteries on it, and we are powering 3-bedroom apartments. On the rooftop, we install 12 units of 450 watts solar panels. In this location, we are powering AC in 3 units, which is a 1 horsepower. However, the 3 AC doesn't come up simultaneously. They put on one and they put off the others. They always put on the one they need at a time. All the lights units in the house are connected to this system, and the pumping machine is also connected to the system. However, the freezer and the fridge in the house are also connected to the system, but all the heavier gadgets load are not connected to the system, like microwave, water heater are being disconnected. This system is powering this apartment in a very calm and peaceful way, and our customers are really satisfied with the job, and they are very happy and delighted. At the end of the installation, we took our time and put our customer through on how to make the best use of the systems. Please contact us on the number on the screen. We love you.